everybody, it's sunny in Maine today and it's gonna hit 80 degrees. Yay! Can you believe that? Even though there's snow on the mountains. Okay, we're going to make a rhubarb dump cake. Now that rhubarb's in and it's going and it's growing, we're gonna do a few rhubarb recipes. You need about a pound of rhubarb cut up, you know, kind of not chunky, but not diced, kind of in between. 3 to 4 cups. You want 1 cup of white sugar, 1 3-ounce package of strawberry jello, 1 package of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of butter melted. You want to preheat your oven to 350. You want to grease a 9 by 13 baking dish. You want to spread the rhubarb evenly on the bottom, and then you want to sprinkle the sugar on top of that. Then you want to sprinkle the jello on top of that, and then you want to sprinkle the cake mix on top of that. Then you're going to pour the water over it all, but don't stir it. That's the most important thing. Do not stir. And you want to put the melted butter over the top. Then you're going to bake it for 45 minutes or until the rhubarb starts getting bubbly on top. You'll be able to tell. And you want to bake that on 350. So I'm going to get all the ingredients together, and I need to weigh out some jello because I buy my jello in a bag and I get it from the Amish country. And it when you buy it by the bag like this, it says using a heaping 1/3 cup of gelatin for 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water. So that would make a small package. So I need 1/3 of a cup. So I'll bring you back when I got everything together, and I'm so excited because it's gonna make the house smell good. It's gonna get hot in here, but I got lots of windows and I have it open. So go grab a cup of coffee and we'll be right back. Okay, we're getting ready to get started. And here we go. I've got everything all situated here. I've got the pan sprayed. And let me tell you, this is my favorite pan. And it's not quite a 9 by 13, but I absolutely love it. It is, well, 7 by 12. And I use this for a 9 by 13 because I just love it. And I have 2 of these. They're hard to find, but I love the size of the pan. And let's see, we're gonna put in 1 pound of rhubarb. It's 3 or 4 cups, depending. Just gonna put it in just like this. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. There you go. Get all the rhubarb out. Oh, I love the smell of rhubarb, especially when it's first cut. We're just gonna spread it evenly. Now, see how good this fits in the pan too? I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, we're gonna do that. And then we are going to sprinkle the sugar over the rhubarb. Here's 1 cup of sugar. And I was going to use stevia, but I'm giving this, I believe, to my grandson. He called and him and a friend's coming up fishing. So I'm gonna send this home with my grandson so they can have it for dessert tonight. Boy, one cup of sugar looks like a lot, but that's what it calls for. I haven't made this recipe for a very long time. My friend gave it to me. And then once we do that, we are going to sprinkle the jello over. And we want 3 ounces right there of jello. I like to buy the jello, like I said, in a container from the Amish, a large package. And that way, you never know. When you need it, you got it. That smells good. Strawberry and rhubarb, And if you had to, now me, with the twist that I would have with this, if I had, I'd put some slices of fresh strawberries right here with the strawberry jello as well, because I think that would be so yummy. But that's me. That's my take on it. That's my twist. Okay, now that we've got that, we want to put the cake mix on, and this would be a cake mix of your choice, a yellow cake mix. Get rid of that. And we just want to pour it over. So you're gonna make sure it kind of comes out even everywhere, which is kind of hard. You just kind of daub it, just like this. I hope everybody's having a great day. I've been busy here already this morning. I've got laundry going, so if you hear my wash machine, I will apologize. But I'm multitasking. I've got lots going on here. Got some planning and mowing to do, because we mow 15 acres. Well, I should say I mow 15 acres. Ray helps when he can, but he has a pretty full schedule. He's planting the garden, and he's doing it his way this year. It's a little different than what we normally do. So he delegates, I listen, and I try to help. That's all I can do. Now I'm just going to spread this like this. Just like this. Just even it out a little. Just like that. How many of you grow rhubarb? And if you do, what varieties do you have? We have old-fashioned. That's probably over 100 years old. It was Ray's great-grandmother's. We dug it up when we built our house up here. We live currently on the land that his great-grandmother used to own. It used to be 1,000 acres, which was a huge piece of land. Now we have 175 of that left. But anyways, we have that, and we have a little history there, and we have strawberry rhubarb that one of Ray's grandmothers, go wipe my hands here a little, called us and said, would you like to come put this up on the farm and raise it whole? We'd love to have it. So we have a beautiful patch of strawberry as well. And this here is strawberry rhubarb we're using. And now we're going to pour water on. Whoops. This is just pouring in. I think some measuring cups pour better than others, but that's just me. Just like that. And then finally, you want to top it off with melted butter. Just like this. Just kind of maybe trying to even it out everywhere. Not saying it's going to work, but you try, you do the best you can with what you got and what you're doing. Just like that. So now the oven is already on 350. I didn't hear the beep, but I've been doing other things in laundry. And then we're going to put this in for 45 minutes, and I'll bring you back and we can see how it looks. Time for a cup of coffee. Sweet tea for me. Okay, folks, so here you have it, very, very hot out of the oven, the rhubarb dump cake. So if you'd like to have the recipe, it will be put down below. Please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my video, and neither do I. Have a great day. Have peace, hope, and love. And we'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy. Bye now.